Hello everybody, so I got my Spellbinders order in. I thought I would just do a quick haul. This must be the extra party time with a little cake. Oh, look how cute. Little, but cute. It seemed like it took it forever to get here to me this month. I don't know. Does it seem late to everybody else? It does to me. So here's the stencil of the month. Squared away. And here's what you get. All the different colored squares. The wax seals are like it says coral. 4 colors of a coral tone. This says happy birthday to you. Here is the better press of the month, Paint the Town, and it's just different swatches across the page. You can see it there. Hooray, that says hooray. This says, it's your birthday, time to celebrate. It's your special day. And that's right here. You can cut them out. The foil is, wow. Okay, I'm going to take this out and show you because this is like wild. What do you think? Is that wild? It's like in dots of color. It's a little wild looking to me. It probably doesn't look wild after you've foiled something, but okay, glimmer of the month. Confetti, happy birthday. It's your day to sparkle. I don't know what that says. I'm sure it says somewhere here. Does this look like something? Okay, there it is, the confetti, but it doesn't say what these sayings are. Okay, we'll move on. Okay, clear stamp of the month. So we get sentiments and what we need to cut them out. This is confetti wishes. Oh, look at this. Stitching die frames. Wow, I love it. Love it, love it. So pretty. Oh my goodness, love it. Okay, small die of the month are these little critters. Critters. Okay, birthday bliss. And here you can see the little, but that's not the only critter it makes. There's a turtle. And, is it a sloth or? I think it's a sloth. And then the large die of the month. Hooray, it's your birthday. And there's an alligator. And there's a car, and I guess he's driving the car. There must be a steering wheel somewhere, right? Maybe not. There's a little alligator carrying presents on him. The embossing folder of the month. Nice big embossing folder. cascading streamers. Wow. This one, I love this one. Rosette Burst. And you may not be able to see that, but that is awesome. Okay. This one just gets me. I'm just curious to see how I'm going to use that. And then this guy with the balloon. So together, I mean, and then the stitching. This is probably my favorite out of this set. Along with the sentiments that we can cut out. And, I mean, okay, I'm going to do this, and I'm going to do it in the Anna Griffin, and we're going to see how it turns out. And what I'm going to do is go ahead and ink it up, and that way you get a good look. Oh. And I'm not real sure about the plate system, and so I had to go to yesterday. Was it yesterday? The day before yesterday. I had to do the embossing. I had to go to just the magnetic and the plates. And that's what I'm gonna try now, but this 3D might be too thick even, because I do not believe that it was a 3D one. But I'm gonna ink it so you can see it. I'll ink both sides. You can't see the ink. I was sure I used a different ink. Yeah, this ink is too weak. It's not gonna show good, I don't think so. Let me grab the Santa Griffin one. This will give us some color. See, we can see some color on there now. Here's one side, let's do the other side. We'll do both sides. And I don't know if this is the right way to get the ink down, but this is how we're gonna work it. It's just the Anna Griffin is a once it's closed, you don't want to open it back up. The Anna Griffin is a, what's the word I'm trying to think of? It's a hybrid, but I think it's a hybrid pigment. It took it. So let's have a look and see what we get. Oh, see, you can see it. That's why I wanted that ink on there, so that you could see what it did. I mean, that's really amazing. That is awesome. Here's the other side, and that's pretty cool looking also. So this is the debossed side. This is the embossed side. Really, really nice. I need to clean it, so. I don't know if I can just wipe it off or not. Oh, looks like I can just wipe. I mean, most of it went on the paper anyways, but this gets it off. There we go. And there's a look at that. Maybe I'll save that and we'll use that for something later on with some of the other features of the Caboodle. I love that stitching die. I'm probably gonna be doing that one. All right, everybody. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you for joining me, and I hope you join me again. Everybody have a blessed day. Bye-bye now.